Don't mind my allergies, but finally, this big old sun biscuit is done. So yeah, got the Radeon 6800 XT Tiachi Chrome X Black, and I'm running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fans in here. This one is also a triple fan. The cooler itself is a Chrome X Black. What was it, D15 with its own 2 fans. Corsair low profile Vengeance, non-RGB RAM, 32 gigs. And powering all of this is the Seasonic 1000-watt titanium power supply. And then underneath this is actually the Ryzen 9 5900X on a MSI X570 unify motherboard. And the only thing this one needs, once again, whenever this one actually gets its 3080 Ti, and that 6800 is coming in here.